Alexa, how is the temperature outside?
Good morning, Jackie. Right now, it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
72.
Today, expected high of 93 degrees.
Just finished 45 minutes of running. I ran 4.3-ish mile, and now we're gonna go bike. And that it's really hot. Now I'm gonna change into my cycling clothes. Forgot to unlock. Yesterday I didn't sleep that well. I don't know. I went to bed like 10-ish and I cannot sleep until like 11:30 or something because I just can't fall asleep. Anyway, we still have to train, right? I'm ready. Sat down. Oh, water. It's foldable. I see people do this. I'm not sure if mine has that to do. Can I do that? Let's go home. It's so hot. I hope I have a full lane today. We'll see. They tend to be very crowded. So my reverse triathlon is done. I'm done for today. There'll be more training because I'm tired. But you know what? I was walking back home and I see I think there's farmers market today. I need it in the park. So let's go and check it out later. Skincare after my swim. I really dry my hair because my hair, I have dry hair type, and this gonna got dry in like 10 minutes. Honestly, my hair's trash. So much hair loss. I finally can eat. You know, I just realized I have my lunch at 4:54. I'm glad.
But I went and got this so I don't have to cook. I was eating at 5 p.m. so I was not hungry for a while. This is night now and I'm gonna eat my dinner.
Good night.